Infinix Zero Flip is here, and I believe it's going to shake up the foldable phone market. This is Infinix's first ever foldable device, and it offers a lot for those of you who want the cutting-edge tech without breaking the bank. With its sleek design and impressive features, the Zero Flip brings something fresh to the foldable world, and I think you'll find it really interesting. So let's dive into the details and see what makes this device stand out. First things first, let's talk design. I believe the Infinix Zero Flip is a beautifully crafted device. It adopts that popular clamshell foldable design, similar to what we've seen from other brands. But there are some notable differences. The build quality is really impressive, especially for a first-generation foldable from Infinix. When unfolded, you're greeted with this stunning 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED main display. It's bright and vibrant, and honestly, I was blown away by the full HD Plus resolution. The colors just pop, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything super smooth, whether you're scrolling through your Instagram feed or watching videos. And with 1400 nits of peak brightness, it's perfect for outdoor use, even in direct sunlight. And speaking of durability, the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the display ensures that the screen can handle a few bumps and scrapes. I believe this is the kind of attention to detail that really elevates the Zero Flip, making it more than just a foldable novelty. Now, one of the most critical elements of any foldable phone is the hinge. How sturdy is it? Will it start to loosen after a few months of use? Well, I'm happy to report that the Zero Flip's hinge design is solid. There's no gap when the phone is folded, and the folding mechanism feels smooth and durable. I believe this hinge is going to stand the test of time. Now, let's flip this around and take a look at the 3.64-inch AMOLED cover display. This is where the Infinix is really making a statement. Not only does it have a 120Hz refresh rate, which I think is fantastic, but the size is just right. It's large enough to comfortably use apps like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube without even opening the phone. That's a huge win for convenience. And for those of you who love customization, there's an AI wallpaper feature with 3D pets and interactive elements. It's a fun touch that adds a bit of personality to the phone, something I believe many of you will enjoy. Let's move on to what I believe is one of the most impressive aspects of the Zero Flip, the cameras. Infinix has gone all out with three 50-megapixel sensors on this phone. First, we have the main camera on the back with optical image stabilization, which means your photos and videos will stay sharp and stable, even if you're on the move. And there's also a 50MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing those breathtaking landscape shots. What I find really interesting is the 50MP selfie camera on the inside. In most foldables, the front camera is usually an afterthought, but Infinix didn't compromise here. It's not just good for photos, but also supports 4K video recording at 60 FPS. That's some serious power for content creators. In fact, this phone is packed with features that make it ideal for content creators. I believe the GoPro mode is a game changer. It's integrated into the camera system and provides excellent stabilization for shooting action-packed videos. Whether you're vlogging on the go or capturing fast-paced moments, the Zero Flip is designed to keep up. Now, I know a lot of you are curious about the performance, and I believe Infinix made some smart choices here. The Zero Flip is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset, which, while not the most powerful chipset on the market, handles everything from multitasking to gaming with ease. I didn't notice any major lag or stuttering during my time with the phone. You also get 8 gigs of RAM and a generous 512 gigs of internal storage, so space isn't going to be an issue. Plus, with UFS 3.1 storage, you'll get decent speed for loading apps and games. And when it comes to battery life, the 4,720 mAh battery is quite solid, lasting me a full day of moderate use. And if you need a quick top-up, the 70W fast charging will get you up to nearly 50% in just 15 minutes. I believe that's a fantastic feature, especially for people always on the go. On the software side, the Zero Flip runs on Android 14, with the promise of 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches. While that's not as extensive as what we see from other brands, I believe it's a step in the right direction for Infinix in terms of software support. As for the price, the Zero Flip comes in at around $645, or $1,165,000 in Nigeria. For a foldable with this kind of display, camera system, and performance, I believe that's an extremely competitive price, especially when you consider that most foldables are still quite expensive. So, there you have it, the Infinix Zero Flip, a foldable that I believe brings a lot to the table for content creators, foldable enthusiasts, or anyone looking to get into foldable without spending a fortune. With a solid hinge, beautiful displays, powerful cameras, and that very cool GoPro mode, I think this phone could be a great option for many. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.